It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon liquor. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nicole Patrick and you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video, and thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this makeup on my face. As you can see, this makeup is really simple. You can wear this makeup to any place. You can wear it to wedding, you can wear it to club. This makeup is just for every day. I'm loving this look right now. And yeah, if you want to know how I did this makeup, please keep on watching. And after watching this video, if you love it, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like, comment. Thank you guys so much, and I don't want to take so much of your time. Let's just go straight to the video. So I've done my eyebrows. I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to be using Makeup Forever primer. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm going to be using MAC Match Master foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I'm going to be using Elegant Pro Concealer.
Without you here with me, but now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to what deep down I thought that there would always be enough. Since you disappeared, I know the time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one, 'cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever made. So don't you worry, I'll never forget.
Then I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with MAC Powder Blush. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Juvia's Place Zulu palette.
Now in my mind I'm imagining your face and all the little silly things you used to say. This is the pain that I can barely tolerate. Never thought it'd be this rough. Now when it's in front of people, it's a fake. Cause deep inside I'm crying for my baby. It's gonna be a while before I'm okay. Cause now that you're gone, I know that time don't wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd say that you're the one. Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Know that you can't be here by my side. I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. When I said forever, that's just what I meant. Won't let nothing come between us, no matter how long or how hard it gets. Oh, don't you know you are the reason that I walk, I breathe, I live. So nobody can be here by my side. Now I feel you near me when I close my eyes. So I won't let your memory come to an end. Cause when I said forever, forever's what I mean. Forever, forever, always in my heart. Forever's what I mean. Forever, forever, always in my heart. Forever.
Now I'm going to go ahead and glue my face. I'm going to use Bobbi Brown highlighting powder.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this Miss Diva lip liner to line my lips. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply this Clarice Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector on my lips.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So guys, this is all for this video. If you love it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.